everyone, and we are in Bulgaria, still walking around Sofia. I decided to split this video in two parts, so it's not going to be too tiring for you. We walked in Vidusha Boulevard before the main pedestrian area with shops and restaurants, and now in this video I want to show you what's inside the covered market, one which is a beautiful building which I showed you before. And I did go inside, but in winter I didn't want I don't know, I was tired and I didn't make a video of it, but I found on the top floor there is a shop where they sell Bulgarian rose cosmetics from Bulgarian rose. So I want to show you a little bit. Let's see what the prices there. Maybe the prices are not very bad there, so you can compare. Right now we are in Serdica, which is the remains. I always, when I'm here, I like to walk around it. You can see, and this is the market where we will be going. Remember the beautiful building, and so we will go inside and have a look at it. But also the metro station is Serdica, and I think this is the actually mosque is the one of the oldest. I'm not sure if it's maybe oldest in Europe, something like that, or in Balkans, but you will probably notice that. And remember the mineral baths. Public mineral baths used to be in that building, and mineral spring water is also out there. And just a little bit of if you will decide to come here, orientations for you, of course, as a tourist you would be interested to see all of this. And we just walked from there. You can see where cathedral is. This is the monument of Sofia, and behind the cathedral, just if you will go straight, you will find Boulevard Vitusha, where I walked. Another video before this one you can see. And this is also the shopping area, shopping zoom they call it, but you saw in one of the videos it's not very busy one. So now we will go inside there and I'll show you what inside that covered market. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're just going on the other side for the metro station. It's just underground. You can see the price is 160 lev, so I believe it's for one trip. So that's, you can accept this type of money, 2, 5, 10 lev, and 10, 20, 50 statinek, 1, 2 lev. And also we have some remains here too. So you can see this all Serdica. We're going on the other side, and also some remains here too. See, right in the underground, in the tube. So okay, let's continue our way. Let's take escalator. No, we should take stairs. No, I'm gonna be lazy. No, I'm not lazy, I walked a lot, so I deserve a little bit of rest. Okay guys, we are in the market, and it's the ground floor. I'm starting from a little bit more of the ruins, right? The ones we just saw in underground, in the tube. So they also have it here a little bit, and we're going upstairs in a minute. So just wanted to show you here, and there is a little cafe in here, which, well, it says the Bulgarian food. So as you can see, there is like a shop, second-hand shop, I think it says. So a little bit. So that's kind of a little bit of prices. They might change them because it says like a Monday, and what they have, like soup 180 lev. I don't know, it's like after 5 o'clock, maybe 1 lev only, 108, here's 180. I don't know. So like you see, that's the prices a little bit. So you can see if you are interested, like say like potatoes 60 lev of 100 grams. So so it's like a buffet. You pick what you want and then eat. Okay, we are going upstairs. So I actually came from the upstairs, and but started from here. Okay, so they have a beauty salon in here, so you can see like manicure you can have for 12 lev, so that's the prices, which is 6 euros. French manicure 15 lev, 7.5 euros, and the rest of it. So that's a bit of the prices if you are interested. Haircut, men's 12 lev, women's 15 lev, so divided by 2, and you know the price. Okay, we're going upstairs now. I'll have a better overview of the covered market inside. So, and this is what it looks like from the inside. So you see, we came from the door, and now we are going to look around it. Here's the view. You see, it's called Targovska Galeria, and actually it has in English. You see, it's a boutiques, offices, shopping gallery, food style, beverages, restaurants, so all different things. Here's the roses. You also have cone of roses. They actually will give you, what you call it, if you need to ask something, they will give you the, you can buy like a little piece of soap, 150, creams 9.50, 6 left, 20 left, 250, 10, so like different, and you can like have a sets 18 left, 10 left. I think the set was 10 left. Yeah, different sets. So some souvenirs from this side. They have leather souvenirs. Okay, so I'm going to show you the upstairs shop. Actually, I already walked, and it doesn't have a big choice this time. When I was in winter, I think it was bigger choice, but right now it's not as big as it was. So you can see there's like different types of cheese, and some more. I don't think we'll go that way. You can see what they have in here, and let's see, maybe what else we have, like food. Eclairs, 170 eclairs, like quite big eclair. So bread, okay, so you can buy here bread, so you can sit and have a cup of coffee, I guess. Here's the bread, 119, 189, 4 left, different types of bread. This is like interesting thing. I've never tried this before. I don't know if it's nice, but I think it's traditional actually. Different sausages. You can see the prices, like again, you can stop and what you call it, see the price and divide it by 2 once again, so you'll know in euros. So that's the view once again of this side. Now we're going upstairs. Some more food here, and this is the shop upstairs I told you about, with some different cosmetics and creams, and also household stuff if you need to. If you're right in the center, you need some household stuff. Well, if you're staying for longer, more than a week, and you're renting in a flat, maybe you need something, you never know, maybe you need toothpaste, alright, so you can buy it here. You see like shower gels and shampoos, and I don't know, lipstick, maybe you have sore lips, you need a brush. It's a big and good place to buy it. There's lots of stuff in here. It's just a really huge, nice shop. So this is the roses I was telling you about. So you can see and compare a little bit of prices. But like I'm saying, it looks like it's not as huge as it was in winter. I thought in winter it was all like full with lots of different stuff. Maybe they didn't have a new stock just yet, but it looked much bigger before. Look, roses. But what is nice in here, that you can come and just read yourself, you know, and not be interrupted by somebody. Just can have a look at it, you know, like I use this one. It's not too bad. Nice. They all have a nice sense, very nice smell. So, but they don't have sets, so if you want to have it just like some small sets like this ones, right? But if you want to have a bigger, nicer sets, maybe then you go into the other streets, Vitosha Street, right? They have more and sets for presents. Okay, but if you want just for yourself, you can have a look what the prices are, and just like I'm saying, you can slow down this video, stop it at some points, and just to see what the prices. And if you will be like walking on the streets and comparing it, then you can come back always and buy where it's cheaper, right? But yeah, I was expecting that it's getting to spring, summer will be a bit more choice. So maybe they will bring more, because lots of stuff here. You can see it's lasts with you see there's like household stuff and more cosmetics and hair dyes. It's just lots. As I said, I was kind of like impressed. I found a big shop in the center. You don't have to walk far, like I'm saying. If you're renting accommodation around here somewhere, you don't need to go and find a big supermarket, right? Because usually supermarkets are a bit further away, hard to find. But here it's very close to everything, right in the middle of everything. And also they have some Ifrashe out there too, a little bit more of the roses. This is beautiful. This was like soaps, beautiful soaps. Smells nice. So downstairs they have more of them. Smells nice. Again, you see the prices. Okay, I think you've seen enough of this, a lot of you. So let's go and see a little bit more on the other side. So don't think anything out there. See, here is the tea. They sell a little bit more. So what's that? Children's stuff. Some stones on the other side, and some leather wear. I don't think we need it right now because it's getting to summertime. A little bit overview from the top. Oh, fountain, look. They switch on the fountain. Very cool. So you can see, you can look here, like buy some meat, flowers, some souvenirs, and household stuff if you need to. Beautiful clock. I like clocks, it's something I do really like. That's another site with nice pasties. Okay. So that's what I was going to show you a little bit more, like I'm saying. I have never tried this before, but it does look interesting, and I'm sure it's probably very tasty. So what's on this side? Do we have here some stuff for rehabilitation? What's this? More food, ready eat food, some more Bulgarian stuff, jewelry, pharmacy pot. Okay. And I have fruits and vegetables on this side a little bit. That's the flowers I told you about. Okay, you can buy flowers here too. So different little flowers, like 7 there for this little flower. It looks quite nice. Okay, fruits and vegetables. But remember where I showed you a women's market, right? Where you buy your fruits and vegetables. Okay, so more souvenirs here. Okay, more and more souvenirs. Okay, they have meat here. Okay, now you know the prices. Okay, I think I covered you pretty much everything now, guys. So I hope you enjoyed our walk together. And more tea. I like different types of tea. 3 left for 50 grams. Different, 750, some of them even 8. And more food. Ready eat. Okay, and hats. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed our walk. Here's again overview of the place, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and I see you later. Bye everyone.